So out of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, what if I told you you only need proteins and fats to survive? And another thing that Trump can do and that Bobby Kennedy will do before we even get to the soil, we need to blow up the food pyramid. The food pyramid is pure propaganda. So we were raised, believing that you should have foundational bread, wheat, rice, potatoes. Wrong. So out of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, what if I told you you only need proteins and fats to survive? If you have no carbohydrates the rest of your life, you're perfectly fine. If you have no proteins, you die. If you have no fats, you die. Now, we think fats is a bad thing, but there are many different types of fats. They're avocado oil, olive oil, almonds, right? I mean, those types of fats are very, very good for you. And of course, protein, needless to say, without protein, you can have muscle mass and you die. But so what we've been told, though, is that heavy carbohydrate diet, which then makes you incredibly insulin resistant, it increases and spikes the type 2 diabetics likelihood of profile in this country. And we're wondering why our kids are so obese or overweight, because we have literally nuclear bombed their metabolic system from a young age, where we are sending them these sugar high type concentrated foods, and they're not able to process or digest them correctly. So what can you do to answer your question? We need to blow up the food pyramid, and we need to basically say it needs to be more like a food circle, which is you can have maybe 10% of your diet should be carbohydrates, right? 30% of your diet should be proteins, and then 60% of your diet should be healthy fats. Cashews, pecans, almonds, olive oil, avocados, so on and so forth.